I'm going to see if I can style my mustache once and for all. And then later on, I'm going to tell you about this product my wife just picked up for herself, but I think I can use it. And then also, bear with me, bear with me, bear with me. It's not here. One sec. Also something about this bottle, green stuff. The only way I've ever been able to curl my mustache is with my thumb. I get it right here and I just kind of bend it around. So I was thinking of using something. Maybe I'll just use my thumb. I want to be able to get this one day and then I can trim this shorter. I've been just trying to grow it out. I almost wonder though, here's the thing I don't know. Is it too long now? Did I miss the sweet spot? And now it's too long. Well, we'll have to find out. I mean, I'm sure you could still curl it, but it has it like missed its most aestheticness. This is a bad light. I mean, I guess that probably, it's a yellow light. Scraped off a small bit with my fingernail, and I put it on the comb so I can heat it up without heating up my beard. Here's what I'm getting so far. I feel like that's a pretty extreme. This is the one I've probably worked on the last. It like, I can get it to curl and then it falls. But yeah, I'm just trying to get the edges to really pinch down. Probably like cut off any like tip. So I have yet to get it in a mustache where I can like tell where to trim. But let me try a little more. I think that's about where I would get it to. I actually like it when it curls up, but it like lays back instead of sticking out. This one's a little more laid back, I guess. But yeah. So here's a thing I saw. It was a men's makeover show, and it was like the one tip I really liked because I'm really red right here. It started like a little spot right here, and then it just kind of migrated and then like popped up over here. Now it's kind of everywhere. So the tip was, let me find a good light. The tip was, on special occasions, there is a makeup you can wear like really small amounts where you don't notice it. And so what it is, basically it's like a foundation or a cover-up. And if you go in the makeup aisle, it's all like light darks to darks, like light browns to browns. And then all the companies have this green one. And if you know anything about color, the opposite of red is green. So you put this on, it actually is green inside, just like this color. Let's see if I can, just like right here, that color green. And then once you rub it in, it's like magic. It actually looks brown, which is really strange. Let me show you. That bottle has a ton of this green, but I only use a little bit. And it's only red here, and then on the nose. So what you can just do, just kind of put it where it's the most red. See how it's going on, like it's like green. And then just kind of like keep going out where you could like let it dry a little bit. You actually kind of like see it's like going away. So still green. I just start like rubbing it in a little bit. And oh yeah, you know, you might want to like wash your face because not only is that red, it's also like really dry. I look like this lighting is horrible. This is usually the room I film in. So I didn't change anything. It actually looks very well. One thing about makeup, if you got dry skin, it like bunches up around the edges and like makes it noticeable. But I think it looks a lot better in real life than it does on camera. But if you were like to see me from far away, it just looks brown. See, now that's because I didn't clean my skin. Let me just clean my skin and just try it one more time. I don't even care. It's not gonna bother me. But I just thought I would give you that. The way it was presented was this guy had like super red skin. I don't know if it was because, well, he was an older guy. Just the way he had red skin. And they just said like on special occasions, I feel like if you have like a family picture, that might be like an appropriate time. Not something you'd want to like spend some time on doing, but I'm gonna make a video about beard oils, so I just thought I would make a video about this red stuff. And then also, my wife gave me this. I'm gonna try this later. It's actually a razor blade on a stick, and she said she got a 6-pack for $4 on Amazon. And she said what it is, like girls are now like, they're like shaving their eyebrows like straight, like just everything looks like perfectly squared off. So I've been wanting to get one of those disposable, wow, that's a horrible color. One of those disposable barber's razors, but I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try this and maybe just clean off like this couple of these little edges and just maybe shave. So I'll try this out and see what it looks like. A lot of barber videos. I'm gonna do the microblading, is what they call it for your eyebrows. But they use some kind of an oil, and like the biggest thing they use is clear. You want clear oil. I heard beard oil actually works as a way to lubricate your skin to get a cut. I don't know. My wife was actually saying you're supposed to use it all over your face. You literally scrape your skin off your face, which I don't know. That doesn't sound like a razor blade to me, but let's try this. I actually see my skin. This lighting is horrible. Let's see how it looks. I've never tried this, so try it on camera might not be the best time. Oh yeah, it's grabbing. It's like a razor blade. Yeah, that would definitely work. No. Maybe I'll use my regular razor first, because every time you shave once, the shaving the second time is always easier. So I'm going to shave real quick and then try this thing. It's like a razor blade with like ridges on the side. I don't know why it's not focused. This light is horrible. You can kind of see like I haven't really cut yet, but I do have like, I think it's just because I've been cutting here. They're shorter. But let's see. This is filming with the front of my camera. I always feel like the front doesn't get a good color. I'm just standing under. You might be able to tell a couple of strands that stand out from my mustache. I feel like I have to do this without filming, but I'll just come back. It seems like you'd have control over this though, so if you had to get like one or two, and I don't feel like my line's off anyways. And I do like a natural look, so like here, I get a couple of here, and then like see if I can do like a round here. Did a really good job actually. You literally pick off one hair at a time. My wife actually mentioned between the eyebrows, which is I do shave it every now and then. It's really hard to get between the eyebrows because shavers usually. So here's, I guess, kind of done. And then I cleaned it up by going up. And then white light bulbs seem to make a difference. Wow, am I washed out? Okay, done. There, you can see it. Not done. Side. Do some of that too. Yeah, this looks, I think this looks good. I wouldn't do it very often. I actually feel like you can see the line. Oh, I think I might have missed one little spot right up there. Did my eyebrows? Yeah, man. It's good. Stronger side. I gotta get a haircut today, right there, and in the back of my neck. So, real quick, do an outfit change. God.